Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have an unboxing for you as well. If you stay to the end, there's a little surprise for my subscribers. So this unboxing is for Kokorosa Studios. I have a few items that I wanted to try out. I'm working on my holiday crafts, my happy mail that I'll be sending out. And if you've sent me mail recently, you'll be getting something back from me for sure. And also those of you that have sent me mail in the past, I may actually email you to confirm that you still have the address that I'll be sending items to. But anyways, stay till the end for a little bit of a giveaway details, and also I will be showing you how I've used some of these pieces in the projects that I have recently completed. So these ones, I'm always wondering how they die cut out, because you can't really tell just from seeing them flat like this, right? I also wanted to say, if you do not have a die cutting machine, I have a video showing you how you can use die cuts without a machine. And I will link that video below and on the card above in case you're interested in that video. So you can see here a lot of the pieces I picked were definitely holiday themed, but also I wanted something that I could use more like in the winter. So of course these little snowflakes, the border with the snowflakes, I think this would be perfect for winter project crafting. And for sure for us, I mean, I'm in Ontario, Canada. We have a lot of snow right now. So hopefully that will be melting soon. But, you know, it's always nice to have something that sort of goes with what your season is like. This pocket, I was really looking forward to trying it out. So we'll see how that one turns out. And I like the fact that it has the florals on the front of the pocket. And then this is another snowflake die. It is a large and a small piece. And it is a snowflake all around the border of it. So I thought that was also very cute. And I can't wait to do some, you know, projects with these pieces as well. I do have a coupon code for you, which I will link below. And everything I have shown you will also be in the description box below. That stamp set was something that they sent for free in this haul. And, or I should say in addition to, I didn't select that one. That was in addition to what they've sent. And then this one, I wanted to check it out. The typewriter. I've been really thinking about projects to do with this one. It comes with a letter. It has the congratulations and hello, and then the little envelope. I can't wait to try these. Let me show you the projects and then stay tuned to the end. Okay, so here are some of the items that I'm going to show you just what some of the pieces turn out like when you actually die cut them. And if you don't have a die cutting machine, I do have a video that I will link below, and I show you how you can use these without a machine. Okay, so I'll link that below. So to get started, this envelope one, I actually was really looking forward to using this one, and this is basically how it comes out. Now, I had such a difficult time actually getting all the pieces out. So I think for this one, because it's so intricate, you really would need to take your time, maybe running it back and forth a few times on your machine. But I'm going to show you what I was able to do with it, because I do love the design. Okay, so this is what I've done with it. So I used a piece of paper that was double-sided, so you can kind of see the florals. I left the tag just plain so that it would actually show you a little bit better the design of the flowers. So as you can see, these ones still here didn't come out so well. So I find that this is like a little bit tricky, this one to use, but you know, it still looks great. And all I did is made like a journal sort of tuck spot or pocket. So if you have like a journal that you're going to be attaching this to, then you know, this could be like an additional little tuck spot. This actually is one of my Polaroids in my shop at the moment, digital downloads, if you wanted to check those out. But I thought this was super fun and easy to do. And again, it just gives it a different look, right, to the pocket. It's not just like a plain pocket. So anyways, that's the first one. The next thing I'm going to show you is this one. And this is the one with the snowflakes and the border. So you can see that there. Again, I had trouble with like a little bit of this. Can you see there? I was having such trouble, even though I was kind of going back and forth with it. Now I'm using 65-pound cardstock for this, so it's still, maybe if I use something that's not as thick, it might work better. I don't know, but I tried it a few times. However, I'm liking how this came out. Okay, so I just did a quick little, like, it could be like a little postcard. I could add this to a greeting card. So here's how it came out with the little snowflakes. And I really like that design. Okay, and so it's just kind of just fun to do. Some pieces that I am using are from items that I recently purchased from Rosie's Studio, I believe. Oh my gosh, I have, like, if you guys want to see a haul, I actually bought a bunch of items. If you want to see it, let me know, leave a comment below. Anyways, so I love how that came out. Okay, so I had fun with that one. The next one I'm going to share with you. Let me see what I did here. Yes, so this is the one with the little gingerbread house. Okay, it has so many pieces to that one. And this is what I came up with, which I thought was super cute. So I pieced everything together. So you have, I'll show you what you have. You have the background, like the back to it. So that's the white part. Then I've die cut the other piece there on the front of the house with that brown cardstock. And then you've got your little layers, which is like the additional little piece here. So many pieces in this one, right? So that piece there. Okay, that's the top part there. And then you also have like many other little bits that you could use. The window has that little outline to it as well. I paper pieced the door. I kind of pieced together the candy cane. I just think it's beautiful, but you do have to take your time kind of putting all the pieces together if you want it to look like really cute, right? So I used some of the little dots there as well. And then for the top, I just added that little charm, the little ball pin, and then some additional snowflakes. And I know if you can see, I just added a little bit of glitter glue, and it's like that cheapy stuff I showed you recently. I think I showed it to you. I just got that cheapy stuff at my local dollar store, and it's just so perfect just to add a little bit of sparkle to something. It came out really nice. Okay, so there's that one. The next one I'm going to show you, oh right, so this one was super cute. So this all comes together with the snow globe, and then you've got like 3 different trees. I'm actually going to pull this out because what I've done here is I've make sure to kind of add all the different pieces that come together. I die cut them so, you know, I can remember what they look like. And I don't know if you can see, but the tree itself has like the little outlines of like the, for the lights. So it's super cute. And these are supposed to be antlers. And of course, that's like the snow for the snow globe, etc. So there's your snow globe there. And these are the bases, right? So this is what I did. I didn't use the snow globe this time. I used the tree. And this was inspired by a card that I saw. This lady, I have to tell you the story afterwards, but this lady that I recently found her channel, so inspired. She makes lots of cards, and I'm really into making cards right now. So this one was one that she had made very similar, not the same, of course. And that was the inspiration. So what I did is the tree itself, I die cut it out and added like the green piece to the back. And then of course I just layer. So that's the tree that you see here. That's the largest tree in this kit. Okay, and then I added a little star. I colored the star with a little marker, and then again I added a little bit of that glitter glue, and then you've got that lovely little vintage lace looking thing with the button. So I was so happy with this one because this is one that I could probably make a lot of them and have like a nice little set to send out, right? So there's that one there. And then what did I do with this? Right, so I didn't use a couple of them. I didn't use this one in this video. And this one was just the other snowflake frames. But for my last project that I'm going to show you, I used some of the items in this one that had that border with all the different little bits that you can see there. And I apologize for the glare, but can't do very much about it sometimes. So there you go. So these are the pieces. with, of course, that layer there. That one cuts out. And so I used that, and then I used a little bit of this one from the typewriter. Okay, it's got like the envelope and everything. So this is what I did with this set. So I took the envelope from that one and added it here. And then the tiny little greenery here, I took it out of this one, okay, out of this set, and also the bow. And I love how the bow came out. I really, really like how, like, it's flat, but you can tell it's a bow. So I really, really like this. And these ones are just pieces that come out of this cute little envelope. I left it open so you can pull things out. That's my little Kodak photo. I shared a video recently with all of you how I'm using my little Kodak printer. Okay, and then I just added some lovely bits, and then the back of it has some additional areas where you can tuck things in. This again is the Polaroid from my shop, and then I've got some additional pieces. So this one is like supposed to be like a little pocket for your journal, or even like you can make it into like a little belly band, you know, so many things you could do with this, but I thought it was super cute. I hope you enjoyed the project shares. Okay, so I mentioned I had a little surprise. This is a giveaway video to my subscribers. If you want to enter the giveaway, leave a comment below. I'm doing a de-stash, and I'm hoping to share some things with all of you. So once this video hits 1,000 views, I will come back and check for the comments, pick a winner, and contact the winner. Keep an eye out for that. I hope that this is something that you will enjoy. I hope to do this going forward with my unboxing videos. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I hope that you have some ideas with the projects that I've shared, and I'll have all the other details of the giveaway in the description box, and also on my Ko-fi page, just in case some of you can't find that description box below the video. By the way, let me know where you are watching me from and what the weather is like where you are at. Right now I have snow, and it is -5 degrees in Ontario, Canada. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye.